Hello and welcome. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to add a favicon, okay, on your website. And a favicon, basically, if you check on my Gmail account there, okay, I do have my Gmail account opened, you're going to notice that there is a logo that appears here. And if you check on Telegram again, there's a logo that appears. But if you check on our website, okay, on our website here, there is a globe, which is the default option that is there. I'm going to show you how you can actually add that. However, there are two ways to do that, which I'm going to show you how to do it. Either way, anyway, actually works. So head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, and then you go to customize. Okay, if you go to customize, you're going to be presented with page that has got, on the left side, it has got tools or options that you can actually use, and then on the right side, this is your canvas of what you see when you get to the website. And then what you need to do is to find the place that says site identity. Okay, look for site. Went to menus, I need to look for site identity here. Back, and then I'm going to go to site identity. Okay, once I go to site identity, there is site icon. Okay, and all I can do is just to click here and then open the file that I need to add. And what I've done is that I do have icons that I had cropped already. So as you can see, this one is our logo, which is more of a rectangle. I'm just going to click on that, and then once I click on that, I'll want to click on select, and then I'll talk about captions and the other things on a later stage. Once I do that, there's an option to crop. As you can see, this is what the website would look like, and then I just click on, so if it's big, you can actually crop with icons there, and then I just click on publish. Once I click on publish, if I go to our, it's saying published, if I go to our website, I want to see what happens. If I refresh, you're going to notice that the site icon now is actually showing. So that's basically how you add the favicon. And do let me know if you have any other questions within our community. We'll be more than happy to help you. Just take a screenshot of the favicon that you have added and share with the community. And thank you so much for watching, and bye.